welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be this makeup tutorial. I was wearing this look in my previous video, my haul video, and I wanted to do a tutorial because I don't even know why I didn't think about it. So I was so relaxed doing my makeup, watching the Kardashians, catching up on episodes that I hadn't seen, that I was like, when I finished, I was like, wow, I should have so filmed this tutorial. Anyways, I did it for you guys today. I feel like now that I did it a second time, you know, I had my first practice run, it looks much nicer. My foundation, I don't know, everything just looks much better in my opinion. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this makeup look using a few new products that I showed in that video, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and start off with our eyes. Obviously, if you guys can see, I have prepped this part of my face just because for me, I have like 3 little twigs of eyebrows and I need to draw on my eyebrows in order to do a look. And I didn't want to apply foundation all over my face because we're going to be working with glitter, as you can see, and that tends to have fallout. So even if the glitter doesn't have a lot of fallout, sometimes little flecks can just fall on your skin. You know, it just happens with glitter. I can say that this one has a very minimal amount of fallout. So the palette we're going to be using today is this Realher shadow palette, and the name is Conquer From Within. You guys know their names are always, the name of their palettes and their eyeshadows is always very empowering. This is a palette we're going to be using. As you can see, the name in the names of the eyeshadows, we have Believe, Strive, Overcome, Persevere, my bad, Victorious, Achieve, Succeed, Prevail, and Flourish. It's a very like pinky purpley palette, but as you can see, I still get like a warm vibe going on with the purple pinky glitter. So I really like that look. I did it for my haul video and you guys really like the makeup, so I'm bringing the tutorial for you guys. Now for the glitter, you guys can see that's like the star of this look. I mixed a glitter, so this is like my own concoction that I mixed. The base of it was a hot pink matte glitter that I've had for a while, honestly, and I just added a bunch of like little scoops of different glitters that I have in my collection, and a chunky glitter from the brand Keifer Valtierra, which I will link them down below again. I included the the baby pink, or like the pink one that they included in my order when I placed an order with them. So that's that. Once we finish with the eyes, of course, we will move on to the rest of the face because we really need to finish the rest of this mug because it is looking a little crazy, especially with just like this part like super perfect. Can you guys see like the application of this foundation, how freaking awesome it looks compared to my skin? Like, look at my skin, it is a little crazy right now, and then look at my forehead, crazy. So let's get on with the tutorial, this eye makeup look using this palette.
Next level.
guys, now that we're done with most of the makeup look, we are going to move on to the face and the skin. I already prepped my skin with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, which I normally always use, my Touch and Soul Prime Essence, and then my Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Skin Mist. And as you can see, the eyes look absolutely sparkly and so pretty. I really like this glitter, this concoction that I made. So if you have glitters sitting around and you want to like amp them up, try mixing your own glitters from what you have in your collection and you can get out pretty cool glitters. I want to buy some of these little what are these called, little pots, little containers, so that I can make my own more of my own little concoctions. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution foundation. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. Now this is new to me because I recently purchased it. I got mine in the shade F7, and this is a foundation that has a huge ass doe foot applicator, so I really like that. Reminds me of my Physicians Formula foundation, like the applicator, but this one's much bigger, I would say. So this is the foundation we're going to be using. And next level. I chose to use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I have mine in the shade 355 Vanilla. Now I do have the Makeup Revolution Concealer, which when I did this makeup for my previous video, I did use the Makeup Revolution Concealer, but I wanted something a little bit more light because that concealer is a little bit darker than the foundation. I know the foundation looks a little too light on my skin, and that's only because they only had F7, and then I realized they have available online F7.5, which would have been a much better match. But I mean, this is a concealer. I know it looks super light, but just for reference, I'll show you guys the color. So it's definitely more yellow based. I guess I can use this one since I already plopped it on. And then I'll add a touch of this one to like brighten. I feel like I'm looking a little ghostly, so I'm going to add a little bit more color to my skin, or actually I'm going to add color and a little dimension, a little warmth. So I'm going to be using my Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and this is the light medium one. I'm going to use only this shade right here, which is a contour shade, and it's called Silhouette. So that's the one I'm going to be applying. Now for blush, I'm going to be using my Realher You Are Brilliant blush palette. And I'm going to use my favorite color, which is this one, which is called Visionary. It's a very like peachy shade with little flecks, like gold glitter flecks, but it's not like glitter that's chunky or that you can really see in your skin. It's more like a glowy, satiny shade. I really like it, and I'm going to use my Moda Brushes brush. This is from my favorite set, and it's the bouquet set. It's a 3-piece. It's a fan brush, this blush brush, and my huge flower powder brush that I always use. Love this brush. Do you guys see how it gives like a really pretty glow, like a natural glow and radiance? This blush is beautiful. I love this blush palette. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using my Trend Beauty palette, and this is the Unicorn Dust palette. And it has 3 different shades, and I literally combined all 3 shades when I did this makeup look. So the shade Dreamer, Mystical, and Fantasy. But look at how pretty this highlighter palette is. I literally just dip my brush into all 3 shades back and forth and tap it off and then go to town. What did you guys think about the look? Did you guys like it? I hope you guys did. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, this video. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't. Links and information to the things I mentioned in the video, products to use, will be in the description down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching again. And like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.